Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to set up family sharing on your iPhone. So let's open settings first and let's tap your name at the top, which is your Apple ID. Now you want to go to section family and then tap set up your family. As you can see, I have already my family, so you just have to press the button set up your family and then follow the on-screen prompts. As well, if you tap this icon in the top right, which represents person with plus icon, you can add some members to your family. So you can send an invite via messages or I don't know, some other applications. So as you can see, this is how it works. And as well, you can create a child account. If they do not have an Apple ID, you just have to invite them. Okay, and that is basically how you can set up family sharing on your iPhone. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.